Question number 2. Find the sum given below. First part, given 7 plus 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. A is equal to 7 and common difference is equal to second term minus first term. Second term 10 2s are 20, 21 upon 2 minus 7. 2 multiplied by 7, common difference D is equal to 21 minus 14 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 21 minus 14, D is equal to 7 upon 2. Common difference, we have 7 upon 2. And 84 is last term, and last term is denoted by AN or L. AN is equal to 84. First of all, we find the value of N. AN can we write A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 84. This implies A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D is 7 upon 2 is equal to 84. A is here 7, common difference is 7 upon 2. B put the value D in here 7 upon 2 and A is this 7. 7 plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 84. N minus 1 into 7 upon 2 is equal to 84. Shifting right side minus 7. This implies N minus 1 into 7 upon 2 is equal to 84 minus 7, that is 77. 84 minus 7 equal to 77. We find the value of N. N minus 1 is equal to 77. Cross multiply by 2, 77 and divided by 7. 7 11s are 77. This implies N minus 1 is equal to 22 and N is equal to 22 plus 1, so N is equal to 23. And B find the value of sum. Sum means Sn is equal to N upon 2 A plus An. If we have first term and last term, then Sn can be write N upon 2 A plus An. This implies S23. We get the value of N is 23. So S23 is equal to 23 divided by 2 into A plus An. A is first term, that is 7, and An is last term, that is 84. 7 plus 84. This implies S23 is equal to 23 upon 2. 84 plus 7 is equal to 91. But 91 multiplied by 23, 3 ones are 3, 9 3s are 27, 2 ones are 2, 9 2s are 18. 3902. S23 is equal to 209 3 divided by 2, 2093 divided by 2, 2 1 jar 2, 0 and 9 2 4 jar 8, 1 3, 2 6, 6 jar 12, 1. This implies S23 is equal to 1046 whole 1 upon 2. That is value of S23. First of all, we have given AP is 7 plus 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus so on. Last term, that is AN, is equal to 84. A is first term, that is 7. Common difference is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 2, and first term is 7. Second minus first is equal to 21 minus 7 2s are 14 divided by 2. Then common difference equal to 21 minus 17, that is 7. 7 divided by 2. And last term is AN, that is 84, and B applying the formula AN, that is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 84. So A is 7, we put here 7 plus N minus 1 into D is 7 upon 2, that is equal to 84. N minus 1 into N 7 upon 2 is equal to, shifting 7 right side, 84 minus 7, that is equal to 77. So 2 cross multiply by 77 and divided by 7. We get N minus 1 is equal to 11 2s are 22. So N is equal to 22 minus 2 plus 1, N is equal to 23. And we want to find the sum of nth term. N is 23. So Sn is equal to N upon 2A plus An. When we have first and last term, then Sn is equal to S23. Because N is 23 is equal to 23 divided by 2. And A is 7, An is 84. 84 plus 7 is 91. We multiply by 91 and 23. Then answer is 2093, which is divisible by 2. And 1043 divided by 2. And we get the remainder 1. So 1043 whole 1 upon 2. That is sum of S20 third term is equal to 1046 whole 1 upon 2. Answer. Question number second part. Given AP is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on, plus last term is 10. A is equal to first term, that is 34, and D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 32 minus 34. D is equal to minus 2. 34 minus 32, that is 2, but 34 is negative, so D is equal to minus 2. And An is equal to 10. Last term is equal to 10. That is An, applying the formula A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 10. A is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 2 is equal to 10. This implies n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34. 34 right side minus 34. 2 multiplied by n, that is equal to minus 2n. 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is positive 2, is equal to 34 minus 10 is equal to minus 24. This implies minus 2n is equal to minus 24. Shifting right side minus 2. Minus 2n is equal to minus 26. This implies n is equal to minus 26 upon minus 2. Minus minus is cancel. What 23? 13 2s are 23. So n is equal to 13. And Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus an. And we have n is equal to 13. So S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into A is 34 plus an is last term, that is equal to 10. This implies S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 34 plus 10, that is 44, and 44 is divisible by 2. 44 divides to 22 times. 22 2s are 44. S13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 22. This implies S13 is equal to 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 2, 28. Sum of S13 is equal to 286. Given AP is 34, 32, 30 plus so on 10. That is AN. A is first term 34. Common difference is 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. An is equal to last term is 10. An can be write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10. B put a 34 and d minus 2 here. 34 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10. N minus 1 into d is minus 2. And shifting right side 34, that is minus 34 plus 10 is equal to minus 24. Minus 2n is equal to minus 24 minus 2, that is minus 26. N is equal to 26 divided by 2, we get 13, and n is equal to 13. We want to find the sum of nth term. Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, but n is equal to 13. So S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into a plus an. A is 34 and an is equal to 10. 34 plus 10 is 44, which divides to 22 2s are 44, and we multiply 22 and 13 and get the result 286. So S13 is equal to 286. Answer. Question number 2, third part. given -5 plus -8 plus -11 plus so on plus -230. A is equal to -5 and common difference D is equal to -8 minus -5, second term minus first term. So common difference is equal to -8 minus multiply by minus, that is positive. So D is equal to -3. -8 plus -5, that is equal to -3. Last term an is equal to -230. An can be write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -230. A is equal to -5 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -3 -230. Shifting -5 to right side, n minus 1 into -3 is equal to -230 plus 5. This negative value becomes positive. 3 multiplied by n minus 3n, 3 multiplied by -1, that is positive 3 is equal to -225. When we subtract 230 to 5, then -225. This implies -3n is equal to -225. Shifting right side -3, -3n is equal to -228. Adding 325, we get 228. Minus minus is cancelled, but n is equal to 228 divided by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 1 carry 18. 3 sixes are 18. So n is equal to 76. But we want to find Sn, that is n upon 2, a plus an. This implies Sn is 76 is equal to 76 upon 2. A is first term, that is -5, and an is last term, that is also -230. So S76 is equal to 76 divided by 2, 38. 38 2s are 76. 38 and 230 minus 5 minus plus, that is -235. 235 multiplied by 38. 8 5s are 40. 4 8 3s are 20. 24 28. 2 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 10. 3 2s are 6 7 0 3 9 8. This implies S76 is equal to minus time of minus multiplied by plus that gives negative value 8930. Given AP minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus minus 230. A is first term, that is minus 5. Common difference is second minus first. D is equal to minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. Last term is an 230 minus 230. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 230. A is minus 5, shifting right side, that is positive 5. 230 minus 5, that is minus 225. Negative 3 multiplied by n minus 3n, 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is positive 3. Shifting 3 right side, minus 3. 225 plus 3 is 228. Negative is cancelled, but we get the value of n 228 divided by 3, and which is divisible by 76. So n is equal to 76. But Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus an. Sn is 76, that is equal to 76 upon 2. A plus an. First term is minus 5, last term is minus 230, and adding 230 plus 5, that is minus 235. Multiply by 38. B multiply 235 into 38 and get the result 1930. S76 is equal to minus 8930. Answer. Thank you so much.